Hello guys, welcome back to Sheillah's kitchen. Today we are going to elevate our arrowroots. Instead of just boiling them, let's give them another taste. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. So walk through with me and let's have these nice and tasty arrowroots. I'm very sure you are going to like this. So we will start by heating 2 tablespoons of oil. This day I wasn't craving too much oil. I just needed a little bit of oil, but with lots of onions. 1 large onion, I'll fry it. When the onion is ready, we'll add grated garlic. Just mix well. Let the garlic cook for at least 1 minute. Then we'll add our tomatoes. I used 2 medium tomatoes. We'll mix well. Add some salt to taste. And we'll cover and let the tomatoes cook. Let's see if our tomatoes are cooked. Yeah, our tomatoes are cooked, as you can see. Let's try to, our spices. I used curry powder, black pepper and paprika, and 1 seasoning cube. I just added 1 because you saw I added salt earlier, and the seasoning cubes are really have salt, so I added some chili. I just cut some few chilies for those who like chili, but it's optional. And some carrots. Let's mix them well. Then our arrowroots are here. I peeled, washed and cut them. So we'll mix everything together now for the flavors to combine. Then we will add water, not too much, just a little bit above the arrowroot, just slightly. We'll cover them and let them boil until tender. Let's check if they're ready. Yes, our arrowroots are ready. So we finish up with a red, yellow capsicum and a spring onion. We just give it a mix. And cover it. Just for 2 minutes. Then our arrowroots are ready. As you can see, when the water has reduced, they have a very thick paste. We will finish up with coriander. Thank you for my new subscribers. Thank you so much for the subscription. I do appreciate. And those who are new in my channel, please subscribe so that you get notified whenever I post my videos. So our arrows are ready. You can serve this for breakfast, lunch, dinner, with any drink of your choice. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for those who are going to subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.